Something is wrong. Steve, that is not a word. Oh no, friends, I forgot something. I forgot the magic letters, the vowels. Come, let me fix this.
I am Gigloo. Today we are going to learn something very special. These are not just letters. These are magic letters. We call them vowels. Now listen carefully. Every single word has at least one vowel inside it. A is for apple. A is for ant, is for alligator.
Oh! So scary.
E is for elephant. E is for egg, and E is for earth. Great job, everyone! Yay! E! I is for igloo. I is for insect. And I is for ice cream. O is for orange, O is for owl, and O is for ocean. U is for umbrella, U is for uncle, U is for up. When it rains, I take my umbrella and I go up to the clouds. Friends, if you want to practice vowels, I have a free worksheet for you. Ask your mama or papa to visit That is G down and open and practice. It is free. And if you liked learning with me today, press the red button below and subscribe so we can learn together every week. Bye-bye, friends. See you in the next lesson. I am Gigloo.